Welcome to my YouTube channel, introducing the cartooning logo design. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Here are some of its features you should know. Fully editable and scalable vector logo suitable for all kind of car-related subjects, such as tuning, car services, repairing, performance, garage, racing, etc. Easy to edit, modify colors to meet your needs. Files included: Illustrator Vector Arts, Logo plus Logo Variations, CS+. Apps Vector Arts, Logo plus Logo Variations. Help file included. Thank you for watching.